Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about Python program for implementing queue operations using list data structure. We already know that there are two operations that can be performed on the queue. First one is insert operation, second one is delete operation. Insert operation is used for inserting an element at the rear end. Delete operation is used for deleting an element from the queue at front end. That means queue has two ends. One is a rear end and the second one is a front end. Rear end is used for inserting the element. Front end is used for deleting the element. How we are implementing that insert and delete operations on the list data structure. First, we have to create one queue in the form of a list. Queue is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to print the queue. Print original queue is up to now we have to create one queue in the form of a list. That queue can be printed. Now we have to perform the insert operation. For performing the insert operation, we have to use a method called append method. Append method is used for inserting an element into the queue at the rear end. So this is the queue. So this point is called as rear end and this point can be called as front end. Okay, rear end is there after 5, front end is there before 1. Now we have to insert an element by using append method. The element is 6. Okay. Now we have to print after appending the element 6 at the rear end. Print after inserting element 6, queue is now. Now again I am inserting element 7 at the rear end. Of 7. Again we have to print it. Print after inserting element 7, queue is okay. So original list contains 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. we are inserting two elements at rear end, that are 6 and 7. Now we have to perform the delete operation. Delete operation can always done at the front end. So this is the front end and this is the rear end. We have to delete element 1 from the original queue. So queue dot pop of 0. So print after deleting element, after deleting q is. Next, once again I am performing the delete operation. Q dot pop of 0. Now once again I am printing print after deleting q is. So this is the program. So for inserting an element at the rear end, we have to use append method. For deleting element at front end, we have to use the pop method. By using that append and pop method, we have to perform the queue operations using list data structure. Now we have to run this program. First we have to save this program. Queue. So this is our Python program for implementing queue operation using list data structure. This program can be run by using the online Python compiler. So first, the queue contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That elements in the queue can be printed. So we are getting original queue is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to perform two operations. One is insert operation, second one is delete operation. For performing the insert operation, we have to use append method. By using append method, we are inserting element 6 at the rear end. After inserting element 6, the elements in the queue are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, I am performing the insert operation by using append method. We are inserting element 7. After inserting element 7, the elements in the queue are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we have to perform the delete operation at the front end. Delete operation can be done by using the pop method. So for deleting the first element, we have to use q dot pop of 0. That means we are deleting the element at index 0. After deleting elements in the queue are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means at index 0, element 1 is there. So after deleting element 1, the elements in the queue are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again, I am performing the delete operation by using pop method. Q.pop of 0. So that means we are deleting the element at index 0. At index 0, element 2 is there. After deleting element 2, the elements in the queue are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, we have to perform the insert operation and delete operations by using append and pop method in the list data structure. In this way, we have to implement the queue operations using list data structure. I hope all of you understanding this video. If you really understanding this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. If you really understanding this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Divvela Srinivasa. Here, a rear end is at 5, front end is at element 1. Thank you one and all for watching this video.